there my friends, this is Alina and today I will show you how we can use our paper dolls what we prepared in our previous tutorial. First of all, I cut out all details using my die-cut machine with files what we prepared. Here you can see how it looks compared to other dolls that I made. You can make them different sizes. So now, first of all, I combine my pieces in one doll. Here our finished doll. As you see, looks almost exactly as a original die. Now I color her cheeks. I measure my card base and prepare pieces of marker paper and background paper for my inserts, and also a piece of vellum. After all, I take a piece of cardstock and using embossing inks and embossing powder create some embellishments for our project. I use my embossing tool outside the camera. Now when we have our finished embossed stamps, I color them with some dry paints. Now I prepare my background. I color my marker paper with Winsor & Newton pigment marker. I like how these markers blend, but if you have something else, anything will work. Pencil, marker, just try to create dimensional texture of the grass. My idea was that she lay down on a grass field. And here I blend my green tones to create effect of the dimensional grass. Now I take my piece of vellum and color it with coloring dabber and distress ink. Here you can compare our die cut with original stamp. Then I use liquid pearl to create some dimensional elements on her dress, and this liquid pearl to color flowers what we cut in her dress. Also, I prepare a flower confetti, which I color with liquid pearls of different colors, and now I glue them on top of her bag, so it will looks like she has a bag full of flowers. Here you can see closer how it came out. And I glue one more flower at her hairs. Now I take my sky vellum and stamp with embossing ink some clouds, and I use embossing powder with glitter effect to heat emboss my clouds. Again, I use embossing tool outside of camera. Now I use embossing marker to color inside parts of my clouds, and I use the same type of embossing powder, only with more pink. Now I position my girl in the middle of a grass field. And I embellished my grass field with some small embellishments which we prepared before. I make small vellum butterflies and dragonflies, and I just put them all around her. I decided to leave the biggest embellishments for our sky. Also, I use flower soft powder, block powder, to create dimensional flowers. I just put little dots of glue all around on a background and just put flower soft on top, and it stuck to glue dots, and it looks like small fluffy flowers in our grass. Now I take my sky background and glue down our butterflies and dragonfly. There will be inside part of our card. Now I make a scoring on my cloudy sky, and I glue down this part to my background. So now it will be looks like you look at her from above, and you see her from the sky, and she laying there. I prepare small sentiment with stamps. I used a piece of the same background paper, and I emboss it with clear embossing powder. And then just cut it out. And now we just fix our background with girl and cloudy sky on top of our card. And at the back side I put stamp with my name. Now I prepare an envelope for this card. I mask stamp for name and address, and just use background brayer to create some design on our white envelope. I move away a mask. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for your attention, and if you like it, please put thumbs up under my video, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!